minor project called LPG Gas Detection and Control System, Department of School of Computer Science and IT, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Submitted by team members Aditi Murania, Sneha Muramkar, Diksha Rawat, Mission Ludra and Sakshi Bhavsar. The introduction. The LPG detection and control system in IoT is a cutting-edge project that addresses the critical need. LPG commonly used for cooking, heating and industrial processes. Therefore, our team developed this project to create a sophisticated system that monitor LPG level, detect leaks, etc. The main motive of the project is enhanced safety of human. Hereby the list of components are Arduino Uno. It is an open source microcontroller board on a 80 Mega 328P. Buzzer is an indicator which converts electrical signal into sound signal. MQ2 gas sense the smoke, gas and other flames. Jumper wires are used to connect the pins. Servo motor. It is a device which can rotate an object at some degree using signals. Here is our working model. As we blow the source of gas sensor near MQ2 gas sensor, it senses the gas and gives the signal of danger, and the signal are controlled by the Arduino Uno, and buzzer immediate indicate the human by its sound, and exhaust fan start working, and servo motors turns knob at 90 degree